Hello there. It's cold outside. Very cold. I did not harvest herbs like I should have before the snow. And so I'm just going to come out here and see what I can find. Do a little scavenger hunting, if you will. Anya and Fedro are out here with me. So let's see what we can find. I see some rosemary here. Let's see. All right, Ponyo. Gonna get some rosemary? Huh? All right. So I should have harvested this earlier, but I don't know. We'll see what happens, right? You're a little happy inside in the cold. Pretty nice. I don't know, still looks pretty good to me. Smells good too. Look at that. Yum. All right, let's keep hunting. So I keep herbs in the raised beds as well as in the landscape. Come here, Ponyo. Come here. So let's see. We'll go check down here. All right, here's some thyme. This may not be as good, but we'll see. Thyme and rosemary so far. You okay, Ponyo? You okay? Let's see what happens to the kale when it's frozen. Frozen kale. Perfect for a green smoothie or a green juice. Okay, what else do we need? Let's see. I can make like an herb bread, some yummy rosemary bread would be good. Maybe some rosemary focaccia. That would be delicious. Let's get a little bit more kale. Frozen kale. Gotta love it. All right, I'm gonna get a little bit more rosemary for the focaccia. And then I'm gonna go inside. So good. All right. Now I've got some kale for some green juice and some rosemary for focaccia. And I'm gonna have garden to table even in the snow. Let's see if I can hold this. Look at all this deliciousness, even frozen over. There's still stuff happening under the snow. So cool, right? Nature is the best.